gonna do a lot, bro.
You know, Brother Abdul, I was thinking, I don't know that I see challenges. If I see something that appears to be a challenge, I think it's more of an opportunity. Right before Christmas, I had the opportunity to be at the juvenile temporary detention center in Hamlin, and two 15-year-olds told me that they're serving double life sentences. That may be looked at as a challenge. For me, we're gonna connect some dots. One of them said he didn't do it, I believe him. We're gonna connect the dots, it's not a challenge, we're gonna get to the solution.
Man, the biggest challenge, and you know as a teacher, my brother, is being one of the elders in the village and being loyal and building a relationship with young people that don't trust elders. There's a difference between old people and elders. Old people stand away. Elders give knowledge, wisdom, and understanding and motivate. That's a difference. So as deep as I am on the block, I'm at the club, I'm in the streets, west side, south side, I got relationships.